Hello, everyone, and welcome to Home Reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best RC monster truck in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best RC monster truck in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Freaking 116 waterproof monster truck is the ultimate adventure-ready RC car for kids who love excitement, speed, and rugged outdoor fun. Designed with powerful 4WD system, this amphibious remote control truck can conquer grass, sand, mud, snow, and even water, making every playtime feel like an epic off-road mission. Its durable, waterproof build allows it to glide across pools and puddles, while the shock-absorbing tires deliver smooth performance on tough terrain. Perfect for ages 6 to 12, this RC truck is easy to control with its responsive remote, making it great for beginners and young thrill-seekers alike. Whether indoors or outdoors, the truck's 360-degree spins, fast acceleration, and bold monster truck design add non-stop excitement. It also features long-lasting battery power, so kids can enjoy extended play sessions without interruption. Ideal as a birthday gift, holiday present, or surprise toy, the Freaking waterproof monster truck brings endless fun, adventure, and imagination to every young driver. Number 2. Experience fast, rugged, and reliable performance with the HAIBOXING 1/18 scale 4WD off-road monster truck. Built for endless outdoor excitement. Designed with powerful electric drivetrain, this RC truck reaches speeds of 36 plus km/h, giving you thrilling acceleration on dirt, grass, gravel, or pavement. Its full-time four-wheel drive, independent suspension system, and grippy all-terrain tires provide stability and smooth handling across tough surfaces. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control system, you get precise steering, responsive throttle, and interference-free driving. Perfect for racing with friends. The durable chassis, shock-absorbing components, and water-resistant electronics allow confident driving through puddles, splashes, and rough terrain without worry. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced RC enthusiast, this truck delivers outstanding control, durability, and speed. The included rechargeable battery provides ample runtime, while the lightweight, portable design makes it easy to take anywhere. For high-performance fun and reliable off-road action, the HAIBOXING monster truck is an excellent choice. Number 3. Experience extreme performance with the juicy 1/14 brushless RC truck. Engineered for adults who crave speed, power, and durability. This high-performance monster truck reaches blazing speeds up to 50 mph, thanks to its advanced brushless motor system that delivers smoother acceleration and reduced maintenance. Equipped with 4WD traction, this RC truck dominates all terrains, dirt, gravel, grass, sand, or rocky trails, while its fully waterproof electronics let you drive confidently through puddles, mud, and rain without worry. The rugged chassis and reinforced suspension ensure stability and control even during high-speed jumps and aggressive off-road action. The included 20W fast charging system minimizes downtime so you can get back to racing in less time, while the 2.4 GHz remote control provides responsive handling, long-range performance, and interference-free operation, perfect for outdoor adventures and competitive play. Ready to run right out of the box, this RTR monster truck is built for thrill seekers who want real power, real speed, and real off-road excitement. Whether you're bashing, racing, or exploring, this RC truck delivers non-stop adrenaline. Number 4. Experience fast-paced fun with the BLUEJay remote control car, a powerful 1/12 scale monster truck built for action. Designed with responsive 2.4 GHz transmitter system, this RC car delivers stable, interference-free control, perfect for racing with friends. Its impressive 33 km/h high-speed performance brings thrilling excitement to every ride, whether you're driving on pavement, dirt, grass, or rocky trails. Equipped with durable off-road tires and a shock-absorbing suspension, the BLUEJAY RC truck handles bumps and rough terrain with ease. The bright LED headlight adds extra realism and visibility, making evening or low-light adventures even more fun. A rechargeable battery is included, offering extended playtime and reducing the need for disposable batteries. Whether you're gifting it to a young RC enthusiast or a hobbyist who loves high-speed vehicles, This remote control car is designed to impress with performance, durability, and style. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or outdoor family fun. The BLUEJAY RC truck brings excitement to every adventure. Number 5. Experience high-energy fun with this 1/12 scale remote control monster truck. Designed especially for girls who love adventure. Powered by dual motors, this RC truck delivers strong torque, smooth climbing, and impressive off-road performance on grass, dirt, sand, and rocky paths. The durable body, oversized tires, and shock-absorbing suspension help the truck handle bumps and rough terrain with ease, making every ride exciting and stable. With its easy-to-use 2.4 GHz remote, kids can enjoy precise steering and responsive control, perfect for beginners and young RC enthusiasts. This stylish crawler truck features a fun, girl-friendly design that stands out, making it a fantastic choice for birthday gifts, Christmas surprises, or special rewards. Whether indoors or outdoors, it promises hours of entertainment and imaginative play. A great blend of power, style, and durability. This RC monster truck is a perfect toy to inspire confidence, creativity, and adventure in every young driver.